Right, so this is how I do my architraves. Take the old one off. We won't be needing that anymore. Served its purpose. It's been a good architrave, but we're done with it now. Get some rough measurements, so you can cut some rough lengths. Then they should magically appear on your workbench. There we go. Pick them up, then mark them to where you want them. Remember that you leave a little bit of the door frame on show, about 7 or 8 mil. I do this by eye, personally. I think that any measurement less than 10 millimeters is accurate enough just to do it by eye. Cut up to your marks, 45 degrees. There we go, just edge into your mark. Once you cut these, lay them down on something flat and use some mitomate. A nice healthy splodge of super glue. And activator on the other piece. Do it on something flat. Breathe and press together. Now if you're lucky, you got it right. If you didn't get it right, you're going to have to snap it apart and recut those joints to get rid of the glue. Same again on the other side. Personally, I like to glue my architraves together fully before I pop it on the frame. It's just easier to get the joints when you can glue them together on a nice flat surface. Right, hold that together for about 10 seconds. I've tried all sorts of mitomates, but this one, which I think is called Mitabond, it's a good one. Right, glue the wall section where you're going to stick it up. I think I'm using CT1 here. There we go. Gently pick your frame up. Try not to snap the corners apart. Just weave that through and get that stuck up there. Try and centralize it. Get that gap of the door frame nice and even. Once it's in the right spot, shoot some nails in there. Got one nail in there, and I think from what I can remember, I had to just push it over just ever so slightly, which you can when there's only one nail in there. Now load her up. Just had to force the middle of that head down a little bit, just to keep the gap nice and parallel. That's what we're aiming for here. Looks right is right. So just start from the top, work your way down. Just keeping that gap beautiful and parallel. You can put pencil line on this door frame, go up to pencil line if you want. Personally, I think just use your eye. Practice using your eye, and your eye will become accurate. It's an old door frame, so it's probably not the straightest door frame in the world, but just bend your timber, keep that gap nice. And there you have it. Blast away. Now that you've got an architrave on, I think this is a good point to pack your tools up and go home. You've done more than enough for today. The customer will be over the moon with that.